Eshita opened her pink piggy bank with a soft clink. She loved saving the coins she earned from helping Mommy, but today she sat thinking, what is money really for? She stared at the shiny coins in her hand and dreamed of what she could do with them. Jaishui stood near the candy shop with 2 coins in his pocket. "I want candy," he said excitedly, but then he remembered his pencil had broken that morning. Do I want candy, or do I need a pencil? Mommy was busy making roti in the kitchen when Eshita asked, "Mommy, where does money come from?" Mommy smiled warmly and said, "We earn money by working hard, just like how you helped me fold clothes and got coins for it." Granny opened a drawer and took out 3 envelopes marked Food, Fun, and Savings. "This is my budget," she told Eshita. "I divide my money into parts so I never run out of what I need." Dad sat at his desk reading a book titled Smart Investing for Beginners. Eshita peeked in. "Why are you reading about money trees, Papa?" she asked. He smiled. "Because investing money is like planting a tree. It takes time and care, but it grows." Eshita placed 3 jars on her desk and labeled them. Spend, save, share. She dropped a coin into each one. "I'll use spend for a book, save for a puzzle, and share for the animal shelter." Jaishui saw a shiny robot toy in the shop window. His eyes sparkled. "I want it now," he shouted. But then he remembered Eshita's jars. "Okay, I'll save and buy it next month," he smiled, walking away. Eshita planted a seed in a little pot and stuck a paper label that said Money Tree. She smiled and whispered, "I'll water you like I save my coins, slowly and with care." The whole family enjoyed a sunny picnic under a big tree. Papa said, "We saved, we planned, and now we're having fun together." Everyone smiled, knowing the reward of managing money wisely.